I think it really helped because when I had that shrinking feeling my freshman year, I was like, I noticed that I was getting kind of uncomfortable with the fact that I was shrinking, and I knew that. So what I would do is, without realizing it, I would always have something, whether it was my clothes or my earrings or something that showed that I was from Hawaii, and that not just from Hawaii, but I was Hawaiian, like I was native Hawaiian, because there was a lot of Hawaii kids, but not a lot of Kanaka up there. But as soon as I had that shift of like, no, I have a seat at this table, like what I learned and what I know is valid here. So I would go to the library, and they had this huge Hawaiian history section, which was so interesting to me. And so anytime there was a paper or a project, I would be like, okay, well, I'm going to do what the teacher is asking, but I'm going to see if I can incorporate some kind of Hawaiian history in here. And I learned so much. Like, I want to say I learned more Hawaiian history on my own in that time than I did in my entire K through 12 experience, because I was so like, oh my God, like I can use this now. So it was just like, as soon as I went for it, I couldn't stop.